Beneath the desert stars, when summer monsoon kissed the parched earth, a giant awakens. This is the Colorado River toad, also called Sonoran desert toad, Incilius alvarius, the largest native toad in the United States. For thousands of years, it has been the desert's most mysterious voice. You'll know it by its size, up to 7 inches long, with smooth olive green skin, a white wart at the corner of its mouth, and large sprouted glands behind its eyes. Those glands secrete a potent toxin called 5-MeO, DMT, and bophotonin. It's their armor. This toad lives underground for 9 to 10 months of the year, escaping the desert heat. It only emerges during the monsoon season, July through September, to breed in temporary rainfalls. They can live over 10 years, and single female lays up to 8,000 eggs in one night. So friend or foe? The answer is respect from a distance. For humans, this toad is not a pet. Its toxin can cause serious illness or death in dogs and other animals if licked or ingested. For people, the toxins have been used in indigenous ceremonies for centuries, but recreational use is dangerous, illegal in many places, and has led to poaching. But a foe? Never. It doesn't attack. It defends. If we give it space, it's a peaceful desert neighbor. Here's the most important point. This toad is a keystone predator of the desert night. When it emerges, it eats thousands of insects, scorpions, and small rodents each season. It controls population of pests that would otherwise explode after the rains. Its tadpoles also feed on algae, keeping breeding pools clean. Without this toad, the desert delicate monsoon balance tilts. It's a natural pest manager, a vital link in the food web, feeding hawks, raccoons, and other wildlife that have been evolved to tolerate its toxins. How do we help it survive? 4 actions. 1. Leave them wild. Never collect, touch, or relocate them. Their skin absorbs everything. 2. Protect water. Preserve natural desert washes and monsoon pools. Don't drain or pollute breeding sites. 3. Drive carefully. Summer nights are cruising nights. Slow down on desert roads during monsoon season. 4. Keep pets safe. Train dogs to leave toads alone. If a pet makes contact, rinse their mouth with water and call a vet immediately. The Sonoran desert toad survive ice ages. With respect, it will outlive us. We just have to let the desert stay wild. When the rain returns, listen. The desert is singing, and this toad is the bass note.